Page number 1 of chapter 1 in history. That full para is deleted. At page number 2, the last paragraph, institutional work, fully is cancelled. On page number 3, use your brain power, is also deleted. On page number 5, do you know and internet my friend is totally cancelled. On page number 6, second chapter, health and diseases. In the beginning, can you recall? There are few lines which are marked over here are fully cancelled. And at the base of the page, at the end of the page number 6, can you tell? It is marked over here. And SS, it means for self study. Page number 7, last part of page number 7, we can see complete the table is deleted portion. Internet my friend, deleted portion. Observe and discuss, that is also deleted. On page number 9, do you know, cancelled. Always remember, cancelled. Another do you know, cancelled. And last, internet my friend is also cancelled. Page number 10, can you tell? Those few lines at the top which are marked here with red, marked as SS, that is for self study. This para, always remember, is also for self study. Next 2-3 lines, can you tell, that is cancelled. Page number 11, do you know, internet my friend, always remember, is deleted. Collect information, internet my friend, is also deleted. Page number 12, think about it, is deleted. Same page, that is page 12, do you know, deleted. Let us celebrate health awareness days, deleted. Page number 13, understand the importance, is deleted. Page number 14, chapter 3, first para, can you recall, is for self study. It means that it has to be given to the students to go through this before teaching the lesson. Observe, it is marked here with red color, that is also self study. Students have to revise this before beginning of the lesson. Page number 15, use your brain power, is to be cancelled. Try this, has to be discussed during the practicals or demonstrations. Same page, that is page number 15, use your brain power, is for self study. Page number 17, the marked portion, try this, use your brain power. And activity 1 is cancelled. Activity 1 is to be discussed during the practicals. Next page, page number 18, activity 2 is also has to be discussed only during the practicals, not to be taught during the class. On page number 19, use your brain power, is for self study. Next para is about try this, the marked portion, it is marked as SS, means self study. Students have to go through it themselves and it has to be discussed by teachers during the practicals. Next para is use your brain power, is for self study. Page number 20, use your brain power and introduction to the scientist, that is for self study. Page number 23, chapter 4, in the beginning, can you recall, is for self study. Same page at the end, try this. The mark portion with red color is to be only discussed during practicals. Page number 25, research part, is for self-study. Page number 26, use your brain power, is deleted. Page number 28, chapter 5, inside the atom, can you recall? That portion is deleted. Page 28 at the end, do you know, is deleted. Page number 29, try this. That part is deleted. Page number 31, do you know, is for self study. Page number 33, can you tell, for self study. Page number 36, end of the page, collect information, is for self study. Chapter 6, composition of matter, page number 39, try this. This part has to be explained in short by teachers to the students, not in details. On page number 41, do you know, this part is for self study. Students have to study themselves. Page number 43, this para, try this. Not to be done in detail, it has to be discussed only in short. Page number 45, do you know, is to be deleted. Page number 49, chapter 7, first para, can you recall, is for self study. Page number 51, last para, can you recall, is for self study. Page number 52, do you know, is for self study. Page number 53, do you know, both and discuss. All these three paragraphs, all these three boxes are deleted ones. Chapter 8 on page 54, in the beginning, the part which is marked with red color is for self study. Teachers have to give the students this part to study before explaining the lesson. Same page, at last, try this and use your brain power, both for self study. Children have to study themselves. Page 55, last para, think about it, is deleted. Page 56, internet my friend, peeping in the history, is deleted. Do you know, is deleted. Nothing on page 57. Now page 58, do you know, air quality index, deleted. Do you know, in purple color, is also deleted. Same page at the base, do you know, is deleted. Nothing on page 59, nothing on page 60, and nothing on page 61. Page 62, chapter number 9. On page 62, last lines, internet my friend, is deleted part. Page number 64, at last of the page, can you recall, is deleted. Page number 65, make a list and discuss. That part is deleted. The table given on this page is for self-study. Page 66, table at the top, that is also for self-study. Work of the institutes is deleted. Chapter number 10. First para, can you recall, is for self-study. Page number 68, last of the page, research, is for self-study. Nothing on 69. Page number 70, do you know, is deleted. Think about it, is for self-study. Page number 71, introduction to scientist, that part is deleted. Nothing on page 72. Page number 73, internet my friend, deleted. Work of institute on page 73 is deleted. Page number 75, can you recall, for self-study. Use your brain power, think about it, is also deleted. Page number 78, in history, is deleted. Do you know, is for self-study. Page number 81, at the top of the page, collect information, deleted. At the end of page 81, do you know, deleted. Page 82, collect information, deleted. Page number 83, can you tell, is for self-study. Page number 89, first paragraph, can you recall, for self-study. Nothing on page number 90. Nothing deleted on page number 91. Page number 92 and 93. Nothing is deleted. Page number 94. At the top, first paragraph, use your brain power, is for self-study. Page 95, can you recall, is for self-study. Page number 96, try this. The part which is marked over here with red is to be discussed by teachers during the practicals in the class, not during the lectures. Now nothing on page 97, 98, page 99, 100 and 101. Nothing is there. Page number 102, first paragraph, do you know, is deleted. 103 page number, use your brain power, is deleted. Page number 104, use your brain power, is deleted. Page 105, always remember, is also deleted. Page number 106, use of ICT and do you know, both the boxes are deleted. Page number 107, observe and discuss, this part also deleted. And try this is the deleted part. Nothing cancelled on page 108 and 109. Page 110, first try this, the portion which is marked here with red in box, that is for self-study. No changes on page number 111 and 112, 113. Nothing is cancelled. Nothing cancelled on page 114 and 115. Now page number 116, first para. can you tell is for self-study? Same page, use of information technology is deleted. Page number 117. These two tables not to be learned by the students, but it has to be discussed in the class by the teachers. Do you know this part is for self-study? Next page, 118 number page, make a list and discuss is for self-study. Page number 119, internet my friend is for self-study. Page number 120, collect information. This part is for self-study. Page number 121, nothing is cancelled. Page number 122, can you recall and classify? This part is for self-study. Page number 123, nothing is cancelled. Page number 124, looking back. This box is cancelled. And collect information. This part is cancelled. Page number 125, do you know is deleted. Complete the table, deleted. Page number 126, do you know is deleted. Page number 127, internet my friend, deleted. Collect information, deleted. Page number 129, can you recall? This part which is marked here with red box is for self-study. Do you know? This part is deleted. Page 130, nothing deleted. Page 131, nothing is deleted. Page number 132, nothing deleted. Page number 133, do you know is deleted. Another do you know is also deleted. Nothing deleted on page 134 and 135.